And I have an additional responsibility of managing the technology of IVRI as officer in charge Institute Technology Management Unit at IVRI. So I will be presenting in general whatever the technologies we have at Indian Veterinary Research Institute, and the way we transfer technologies, and maybe the way you want. Actually, I'll give little. It will be a kind of techno-commercial discussion rather than purely a technical discussion. IVRI is one of the deemed universities under Indian Council of Agricultural Research Institute. For technology management unit, actually Indian Council of Agricultural Research adopts three-tier system, wherein we have at the bottom of the pyramid we have Institute Technology Management units established in each and every institution, as we have around 97 institutions in entire ICR system. And in the middle of it there is a zonal technology management center which caters the needs of around 20 institutions in the ICR system, and at the top of it there is central technology management center which is at ICR headquarter level, and the top one is chaired by DG ICR and the bottom one is chaired by the concerned directors of the research institutes actually. And these are the campuses of Indian Veterinary Research Institute. We are located at IVRI Aizat Nagar, that is basically the headquarter and is the most broad campus in IVRI system. The one in Mukteswar basically develops diagnostics and vaccines technologies related to viruses, animal disease of viruses, and most of the technologies which I will discuss, they have been developed there only. The one center at Bhopal is located. It is basically high security animal disease laboratory, and they work on animal viruses and bacteria which are of exotic nature. The diseases which are not present and they are likely to encounter in the Indian situation are those which have been eradicated. So they are the high security. And the center at Kolkata is basically caters the needs of eastern region. The one at Bangalore is mainly involved in FMD vaccine production and technology commercialization. Basically foot and mouth disease, which is one of the important diseases of being taken for eradication by Government of India. And then we have one center at Palampur for which takes care of the hilly terrain, problems of hilly terrain, and the center in Jammu and Kashmir, it has been shifted to Mukteswar and then Palampur because of whatever the problems were there. Now, if we see the technology transfer strategies of IVRI or the entire ICR system, we have basically three categories of technologies. One category which moves through industries. We have a system for royalty and license fee. The other category which is basically used for self-employment generation, that therein we have very minimum license fee and royalty and all that. The third category which is basically the technologies which directly go to the farmers, and we don't charge any license fee and all that, because we work basically on farmers first. ICR first works on farmers first policy of farmers basically, and the objective of technology transfer is that the technologies they should reach to the end user, whatever the channels we follow, whether it goes directly to the farmer or through industries or through entrepreneurs and all that. Now, if we look at intellectual property assets of IVRI, we have filed almost 73 patents. 4 of them have been granted. We have filed five copyrights, 4 have been granted. We have 2 international patents filed, and if we look at designs, almost all the designs, 10 designs I will be discussing, they have been filed and they have already been registered with the patent office. And we have registered 25 technologies to 41 commercial houses. And the progress of patents, basically 4 out of 73 is basically, as we know that patent office, it takes almost 6 to 7 years to generate first examination report, and we are getting first examination reports of the year 2007 and 8 now. The patent applications which were filed in 7 and 8, we are getting first examination report of those applications now in 2014. So that is the reason we have less proportion of patents granted, but we want to move it faster.